Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about how to turn in an assignment. There are two main assignment types that you will be turning in. One is called upload a file, and the other is an online text. We're going to start with the upload a file. An example of this one is the assignment called Identify Your Personal Transportation Needs. So to do this, we're going to click on the assignment, and it will open up. Now you can see there are some directions at the top that will show you how to go through and do this process, but I'm going to take you through it step by step. So the first thing we want to do, when we read through the assignment, it says that we're going to copy this and put it into a Word document so that we can type on it. So the easiest way to do this is to minimize your screen so that you can have a partial window open, and then pull up your Word document so that you can copy and paste easily. So I'm going to go back into the course on the assignment, and I know I need to start right here, and I'm just going to click with the left button on my mouse, highlight all the way down to here. Once that's highlighted, I right click with my mouse and click copy. Now I can go to my Word document, right click again, and click on paste, and all of this text will go into my Word document. Once it's in my Word document, I can go through and actually change it. So in the first section, it wants to know if I have a car, how I'm going to use it. Will I drive it to school, drive it to work, carry my friends, carry my family members, haul things in it, or use it for sports and recreation? Now, you can do this several ways. If you're going to drive to school, you could highlight that and make it bold, so I know that's a choice. Maybe carry your family members in bold, so that's one option. Or I could highlight that, come up to my highlight color, and do this. Highlight again, click on my yellow. So I know that those are the ways I'm going to use my car. And then you can go down, and where it's telling you you're going to go through and actually find some cars that you think you might want to buy, and it wants to know on vehicle 1 the year, make, and model. You can come right out here and start typing on this document. So maybe I want a Ford Fusion, and I want a 2005, so I can just type in anything I need to right here. Once you finish once you have finished the assignment, you go through, and this is important to learn how to save as a rich text file. If you will save as a rich text file, then I can always open the document and read it. So you want to come up here, click on Save As, and we're going to title this Transportation. And then instead of saving it as a Word document right here, I'm going to use the pull down menu, and I'm going to find Rich Text Format, RTF. So I'm going to save it as a rich text format. I'm going to call this Transportation 12, just so I remember which one it is. So I've got the name of the file, saved in rich text format, and then I'm just going to click Save. So now it's in my documents. So I can exit out of Word, come back to my course, which never closed, and I'm ready to turn that assignment in. Now, to do this, I have to go over here real quick and log in as a student, or you won't be able to see this. This is what you'll be seeing when you log in. So here's my assignment page. I come to the bottom, and there's an Upload a File button. So all I have to do is click Upload a File, give it just a minute to load, click on Choose a File, browse, go back into my documents, find that file that I just saved as a rich text format, Transportation 12, and you can see right here it's saved in rich text format. I can double click that. It shows right up here in the browse button, and then I click upload this file, and I should see it right here in this box. Once I have done that, I want to make sure I click Save Changes, and that will send that file directly to me. And that's all you have to do to turn in a file like that. Now let's go back to our course, and let's look at an online text assignment. This one is a little bit different. We've got a video called Car Buying Checklist, so let's look at that assignment. Right here you will notice I have a video loaded for you to watch, and it says, after watching this video, write your own car buying checklist detailing at least 10 things that were covered in the video about what you need to do or know when buying a car. Okay, now sometimes it can get hard because you're trying to watch the video and type at the same time on a different Word document, but all you have to do is click this Add Submission button. And when you do that, as soon as it loads, you will get a box down here that you can actually type in. A box that you can actually type in that's going to have an HTML editor, much like you have anytime you type a Word document. So the cool thing about this is you can turn this video on and you can start to watch it. And as you're watching the video, I'll turn that down just a little bit. As you're watching the video and it's going through and telling you things, you can actually type in this box as it's going through. So you can say, when I go to buy a car, I need to, and you can even bullet this list as you want if you want to, because it has all the options that you would have just like when you're typing in a Word document. So I can put here that I need to have proof of insurance with me. So again, as that video is playing and you're listening to it, it's really easy to just type in this box as it goes along. That way you don't have to jump back and forth between the course and the text editing box. So let's say you're finished with the video, you've made your list of 10 things you need to do when you've gone in to buy that car, and you just scroll down a tad bit farther and you see another Save Changes button. You click that Save Changes and that comes right to me. So again, with the online text, if you see an Add Submission button at the bottom, that means it's an online text and you're going to actually type in here. The others will tell you that you have to go create a Word document, the upload a file type. If you're still not sure which one it is, and again, this is going to double check every time I leave the page and don't save, you can come over to your activities block and click on assignments. And this is a little slow tonight, so it's taking just a little while to load. But when you click on that assignments and it gives you that entire list of all the assignments that are due, you'll notice in this column it says assignment type, and you can see that that car buying checklist is an online text. So that's the one where you're actually typing underneath the video. This one, identify your personal transportation needs, that's the first one I did. Upload a single file. So you know that that means you're going to actually go out, create the document, and upload it later. So I hope those two are clear. If you have any questions, feel free to come see me or message me through the Moodle messaging system right over here, and I'll be happy to go over that with you again. Thanks so much.